So as y'all know, I do a bunch of reviews and stuff from time to time on my website. It isn't, or wasn't ever really a primary reason for me to have the website, but you know, I've got to see some interesting stuff over the years. So I got a call the other day from the folks over at Instafire, and you might have saw this. It was on Sharktank a couple of years ago, and this is a pretty cool way of starting fires. They got different kinds. This is a charcoal starter, then they have a fire starter for camping or whatnot. And this is some pretty cool stuff because not only does it make it easy to start your grill, but it's safe, no chemicals. Basically it's wood chips, a paraffin wax blend, and perlite, right? And when you burn it, it actually turns into a good fertilizer. So normally when I start my charcoal grill, I use one of those old propane tanks, and that gets to be a pain in the tail. So we're gonna try this out. You can get single packs for under $1.50, I think $1.38 or so, and you can even get 2-pound bags or buckets, two gallon buckets. So they say this looks like it's plastic, but it's really a starch and sugar mix. The bag's burnable. So all you do, they say, is put the stuff on your grate. Light both ends. And then stack your charcoal over it. They say this stuff gets to about 1,000 degrees, which should be hot enough to light my charcoal, I would say. Don't get the messy flare-ups of using lighter fluid, and you don't have to wait till the lighter fluid burns off till you can cook. That's why I use the propane tank, because I'm impatient. Alright, so it's getting pretty close to getting ready to cook. The charcoal briquettes are starting to turn white, and I don't know if you could see, but way down in there, it's still burning, right? This stuff is pretty good. I've used it to light trash fires and barrels and stuff. You know, the actual emergency fire starter, you just pour it on any non-porous surface or rock or whatnot, light it up and throw your wood on top, and it lights a good fire. This charcoal stuff, man, makes it easy. All right.